Now the motor has a few different parts. It has the shaft, and that's the part that spins, and it has these terminals on the back. Now notice there's in the on the opposite end of the shaft, there's another bit of the shaft sticking out. If you're going to use this later in a robot project, just make sure you don't glue that, because you'll glue the shaft stuck and it won't be able to turn. So this part is the shaft. However, the terminals are kind of a copper color on either side. Those are the parts that you want to hook into. So I'm going to hook my power onto one side, and I'm going to hook it onto the other. And the motor's on, but it doesn't look very interesting, so let's add a propeller. And the motor turns on, and the propeller goes around. Now if I don't like the direction of the propeller, simply change the connections on the back. Change the polarity. And now the propeller spins the other way. Just switch the wires if you want to change the direction of the motor. Okay?